Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Pram pram. Okay, guys. Nara nuk na ang tinit boro reaction kay nai iko. Ang na punu kanai Northeast United FC versus Selung Lejong. Semi-final highlight ang naimannya pura ang samung biji mune banggai ang live full video naimla highlights mi naisnai tabo ang suru khaisnai net sa hamli ani iko fight tongkha Durand Cup Indian Oil.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us for the 133rd edition of the Indian Oil Durand Cup 2024, powered by Coal India, organized by the Indian Armed Forces, and supported by the government of Meghalaya. It's semi-final time, and this game is coming to you from the Nehru Stadium in Shillong, home side, Shillong Lejong Football Club, taking on Northeast United Football Club. And we're off. We're off in what is a beautiful stadium. We're off in what is, of course, promises to be a brilliant night for Indian football. Shillong Lejong in their all red kits. Northeast United in their all white kits. And fighting for a place in the final of this edition's Durand Cup. And straight away, the home side is on the attack. Down the left flank. You can hear that cheer. You can hear that loud cheer whenever Shillong Lejong is on the ball.
Fans na defend bisag bang fan. Northeast United football fans na
Brilliant, of course, combination there.
Goal!
Brilliant
Goal!
in as well.
Northeast
Straight away,
United!
Northeast United have taken
Goal!
the lead in this
Wonderful!
semi-final of the
Oh
Durand
my
Cup.
goodness!
Twisting at the end of a beautiful cross,
Yeah,
silencing
beautiful!
the Nehru Stadium in
Beautiful!
Shillong.
Unbelievable, guys! Oh my god! But I support both of team. But because I'm from Northeast United,
Perspective, of course, yes.
so
What's
my
up
team
front is
support
not
kayo.
working too much for them. They don't
I
seem to have
support
that
both
much
of
of a
team.
threat as far as
Dono
goal
team
scoring
ne support
opportunities
kiya
is
tha.
concerned. Meanwhile, Jitin has gone down,
Jitin.
holding his right
Jitin.
leg.
Oh, that's a bang from behind. It's almost clipping him off.
Nai to de. Lai to
Referee
hara Jitin.
doesn't have a card for this.
Tam khatam
Could be
decision na
bleeding.
na
Lucky
referee.
for him, the shin pads are on. What a player. Ronnie has been translated into a very experienced player. He's got a goal to his credit.
Both team support kayo.
Look at that. Beautiful back helo there. Manikandan really going up and putting the ball between the defender and the goalkeeper. And look at the sight from Toy Singh. Simply
Touching
getting
ball,
in
the
between
money
3-4
Replay
red
money.
shirts and putting the ball in for a goal. Wonderful goal there.
Go.
And here's one of them. Onto jersey number 21 now. Goes
What
for that
wonderful
low-range
save.
shot.
Wonderful save.
Gurmeet doing just about enough.
In the middle of the park, every time he gets the ball, look at that. Nobody really attacking him. He takes a swipe at the
Wonderful
goal,
save.
dips in front of the goalkeeper.
नेपोलियन अलेक्जेंडर जिंगिस को
He's always been ready over there to take that stroke. Nicely off. And right in the center, he's got two options.
Again,
that
set
was
like a
deflection from the
Northeast
defender.
United
Lucky goalkeeper really
goalkeeper.
showed his reflex so beautifully.
Here's Nesta, beautiful touch, beautiful turn. Tries to find a
Oh,
target,
goal.
brilliant touch. And what a
Goal!
the first time.
Goal.
Makes no mistake the second time around.
Yes.
It looks like the
Yes.
referee spoiled the party. Because that goal is not going to
I love
count.
it football.
The offside flag is up.
Thinking it was perfect, but look at that. The ball he was in the onside position.
Oh,
No offside
offside,
from
yeah,
our
offside.
side. And that's the reason why he was brought into this match.
Offside there.
Create these goals. Look
I
at
can't seem to
that.
understand why that offside has been given, Henry, because you see that ball ricocheting off the
Assistant
pole.
referee
He's clearly
reflected
behind the
Shazam
defender.
offside.
So as things stand, it should be the second goal for Northeast United.
Yes.
Tam decision
That's why the
na
discussion over there, because the ball has gone ricocheted on the pole. And then come back and let's see what. That's what is
Goal.
given. He's given it
Goal.
2-0.
Rightfully done, and rightfully so. Good officiating from Crystal John
Goal.
in a
Goal
massive,
return.
massive game. This is a massive moment for this game. A Ajare giving a 2-0 lead to Northeast United, courtesy some brilliant play by Nestor first, and then of course the touch to bring it down. A bit of controversy and a bit of confusion as far as the decision was, but nonetheless that decision has been reversed and it's done in favor of Northeast United. Yeah, you can see that touch again and again. What a brilliant first touch that was. Missed it the first time, made no mistake the second time around.
This time Northeast United champion
Juan
online.
Pedro Benali
I
has
hope
gone
that
2
this
goals
time,
up in this semi-final.
this
Courtesy
season,
of the 2
Northeast
changes
United will
he's
bring
made to the starting
Durand
11.
Cup.
But as
Powerful.
things stand, Northeast United are going somewhere they've never gone before in the history of the club, and that is the final of a competition. Their best ever performance in the ISL semi-finals 2020-21. The best ever
This is the
performance in
power
a
of
Super Cup
Northeast
semi-final
United.
again in
Northeast United.
2023.
This is the
time around,
power
they could go
again and
one up.
again.
As
Northeast
far as that
India.
performance is concerned, not too
Does
far away
not
from it.
know
Remember, it's
about
only the first
Northeast
half.
India. Just check it out.
Samte again. Here's the new boy,
Oh.
Nadeem Talang. Straight away takes the shot.
Wonderful shot.
It's a feisty shot. Rather, it was Ajare. Quick turn, quick to take the shot as well.
He's got everything in him, you know.
This
Look
is
at
the
that
power
strength.
of
He's got to keep
Northeast
the ball away from the defender,
India.
then turning
Northeast
himself.
India.
Has a lot of space over there to put that ball on the last.
Check it, the fan.
And that's the applaud from the coach. Well done, boy.
Put in by
Oh!
Samte. Brilliant save on the line. Danger still not averted.
Wonderful.
Finally averted. Manas
This is
Dube
unbelievable
showing
save.
brilliant reflexes, stopping Northeast
I
United
can't
from
even
making that
imagine.
2-goal lead into a 3-goal lead.
Yes, important for goalkeepers, you know, to make the right decision, and that's the reason why the ball came in inch perfect, and then a header straight into the hands of the goalkeeper who really palms it away for safety. He also knows this could have been a game set and match
Jiten
for him.
Gogoi.
Ball put in, numbers in the box. They've got to attack it this time. Danger still not averted. Eventually, referee Crystal John blows in favor of Northeast United.
We are friendly.
And that
Selung
ball
Lezong and
traveled
Northeast
pretty
United, we
well
are
over
friendly.
there, and there were a host number of
Why
runs
and how
to
we
really
need to
attack.
bring Durand
Look
Cup
at
in
that. Lovely
Northeast
defending
United.
once again from the
Northeast
back.
in India. Northeast India.
Then this foul ball inside the box. Lucky.
Yeah, you ask the player, he'll feel like he's never done anything wrong. Players, of course, not too happy. But the referee, who from where we're sitting, Henry, it seems like he's had a very good game of football from an officiating point of view. Shillong Lejong Football Club have been brought down to 10 men.
Oh, red
Ronnie
card.
Wilson has been sent off by
Oh
referee
my
Crystal Shawn.
goodness.
Here's Hamza.
Yes.
Space down that left flank. Parthiv Gogoi. There are
Yes,
two
Parthiv
players
Gogoi.
inside. Who's he going
Wow!
to go for? He's going to go for
Parthiv
it all
Gogoi.
by himself.
Wow!
Parthiv Gogoi
Parthiv Gogoi.
getting the third goal of the night.
Yes.
And surely now, Northeast United have
Parthiv,
found themselves a spot in
we
the
love you.
final of this edition's Durand Cup.
That's
Yes.
the pass that came in from Hamza. Simply
Perfect.
nobody there to
Very
attack
clear,
him,
very
getting
clear.
inside the box.
Easily.
Look at him.
Gogoi
So
is
much confidence.
done
He
very,
knows that the defender is there and shields the
successful.
ball so beautifully and just places on the far corner.
Yes! We Northeast now. Ready.
16 goals in the tournament, conceded just one, and which is why this team is moving into the finals
Yes.
of the Durand Cup.
Selung Lezong.
There you have it. Your
Don't mind,
finalists
we are
confirmed.
in United.
Northeast United will be contesting
Because
for that trophy
they
come the
also are
31st
team.
of this month.
You
3 goals,
are
2 good on the night.
Selung
3
Lezong are
goals
also
enough
my
to
team.
get rid of
We
Shillong
are
Lejong in the
every
semi-finals.
equal.
All 3 goals coming
I love the
courtesy of
Shillong
Toy
Lezong, but
Singh, Ajare and Parthiv Gogoi
love
getting
it.
the third and final goal in the 94th minute. It's full time
Yes, we
at the
win.
Nehru Stadium in
Selung
Shillong,
Lezong
and it's
also
Northeast
a
United
part
who
of
are marching
Northeast
on
United.
in the Durand Cup.
Northeast United FC also a part of India. We are both team are the Northeast India. So let's bring Durand Cup. Today finally we have seen the first semi-final done. Definitely done. Northeast United has bring winner of first semi-final. So Tinini video gol damani. Shoo! Karon video pairs nai. Guys,
Subscribe.
please subscribe. Bell icon ting ting. Akan video pram. Last video. Okay, last off. 1, 2, 3.
Ronaldo como la fila.
Bye bye.